So I wrote my application in Angular quite a while ago, and I want to migrate this to next.js with Tailwind. So this is what we're going to end up with. We have our timer where you can create time entries here. Then you have a week and a list view to see the actual time entries. This is my existing application with the time entry functionality that we are moving over. Okay, so I have my prompt here. So I'm saying I want to migrate our timer component in our Angular app to our next.js app. We can start with the week view and then timer component where a user can enter a manual time entry, or start a running timer where they can select the project, optional task if the project supports it, and tags. So these are the Angular components, giving it the timer service, the timer component, and the timer component HTML. Should probably give it the week as well to help it. And then giving it the API service file. So this file is an auto-generated file from our backend. So we're not changing the backend at all. I'm also curious how much this is going to cost me. So we'll go look now how much I'm currently at. So $13.48. Seems to be done. So that took definitely a while, but here's what it was able to do. So created the basic models and types needed for the timer, implemented reusable components, time input, time duration, created hooks for timer functionality, used timer state, implemented the UI components. So our form for the main timer input form, then the list for the list view of the time entries, the week, and then set up the page routes. So we have timer/list for the list view, and then the week is a dynamic route with the year, month, and day, and then common layout with timer form at the top. Interesting. Okay, that is a really good breakdown. We'll see if it works though. Let's see how many credits we used. Okay, so that was quite expensive. Wow, that cost us around $1.50. Let's see if the results we got are any good. And now if we go to our timer here, see what we have. All right, so errors, and there's a lot of errors in here. Okay, so it's done now, and let's see what we get. Oh wow, there we go. So there it is. Doesn't look terrible. So all in all, that's pretty good what we managed to achieve in around 2 hours of work. We literally have maybe 60% of the functionality here of this that we were able to migrate. So that's pretty good. This actual timer took me weeks to do, and yeah, was able to do that in 2 hours. So it's pretty crazy. The code quality doesn't seem terrible. Yeah, overall pretty impressive what we can do in such a short amount of time. Thanks for watching, guys.